This is 10-32. Can't see it though, there it is. The figure at right shows two concentric circles. And then it says, what's the relationship between arc AB and arc CD? What do you think, Logan?
They're similar because one is double the length of it.
That is very interesting. Now remember, the arc is degree measures, right?
Yes.
So you're tempted to...
It's the exact same.
It's the exact same, yes. Because they both come from this central... Well, I'm going to assume that. Is that the central angle?
It's the same measure but different lengths, right?
Yeah, they're the same measure. The measure of the arc is a degree measure, but the arc length would be a different length, yes. So, what's the relationship?
They're
the same. Which has greater measure? Well, I think on B I would want to say neither, but which has greater length, I would say CD. Let me check and make sure we're saying this right. I'm saying it right.
Which has greater length, CD.
Yeah, so for B, it says they have the same measure. They have the same measure because they have the same central angle, but CD is longer, right? CD is longer because it's a bigger... The radius is longer. Okay, is that okay so far? And then letter C. So I'm not really writing it down. I'm just saying it, and you guys are writing it down, I hope. Measure of angle P is 60, and PD is 14. So find the length of CD. What do you think?
Oh, well, I already know the angle measure.
What is it?
The angle measure is 120.
No.
The angle measure of the arcs are 120.
No, that's if it was an inscribed angle. It's a central angle, so they're going to be 60. Is that right?
Yes.
Having a hard time with that one,
yeah.
Huh? Yeah, so it's inscribed when the angle's on the circle, like on the outside of the circle, that's inscribed, and that's when that doubling thing happens. But when it's in the center, then they're going to match exactly. Like if that's 60, then the arc is 60, the measure of the arc. But we want the arc length, don't we?
Yes.
So we're going to have to find 60 3/60ths, right? Because that's the fraction or the portion of the perimeter. Well, I don't want to say perimeter because it's a circle. The portion of the circumference that they're asking about is, the fraction of it is 60 out of 360.
And then be reduced to 1/6.
Yes, so this is going to be 1/6.
Would it be about 12.57?
Probably. Did you do 2 pi r? It's going to be 1/6 times 2 pi r. And r is PD, which is 14, right? So yeah, that's going to be 28 times pi over 1 times 1 over 6. Oh, you can't, I knew you couldn't see it. And then if I do some cross canceling, that would be 3, and that could be 14. And then, let's just get that on the calculator. 14 times...
14.66.
Yeah, I got about 4. Is that what you said, Silas, or no?
What?
Did you get about 14.66?
Yeah.
About? Okay, so that's 10-32. Let me check it. Yep, they rounded it to 14.7. That's about 14.7, and I guess, do we have any units on here that we can label it with, or no?
No.
So I think we should just say units. That was fun. That was letter C. Any questions?